What's up guys, today I want to show you how to clean your stove or your any appliances. In my case it's a stainless steel appliances, and I'm gonna use my favorite Super Clean. Of course it's gonna be diluted 4:1. If you don't know what it's mean, watch my other videos. It's I like to dilute Super Clean 4:1. It's mean 4 parts water, 1 part of the product. In a spray bottle of your choice. In this case, I'm gonna use a bottle from Simple Green. I'm gonna use this bottle. Of course, it's not a Simple Green solution, it's just a bottle, and I like this bottle because it has this foam nozzle. It's actually regular nozzle, and if you cover this, it's gonna give me a foam. And I'll show you right now how it looks. And you have to remove griddles and put them in the sink. Spray solution on the griddles and let them soak for a couple minutes. And while you're waiting for that, you can spray your solution here on the stove. You see, like this, it's spray like any spray bottle, and if I close this, it's gonna give me a foam. That's why I like this bottle, but I'm using the Super Clean. So after you spray your oven, wait couple minutes. While you're waiting, you can prepare the towel which you're gonna use to clean up. So I'm gonna use just regular microfiber towel and just nicely remove the product and the grease and everything where it's stuck to the surface. We use our stove every day, so it gets dirty every day. We cook a lot on it. As you can see, it's not in the best shape already. But with this solution, it's really easy, on and off. You just spray and wipe it away. And that's it. After you wash your griddles, you can put them back. Thanks for watching.